Hi friends, I hope all are very happy with your PLI and RPLI incentives paid up to January 21. Now the Directorate has issued orders to intimate the expenditure for the month of February and March towards PLI and RPLI incentives. Actually, it is a very difficult task to calculate this one, except all the sales force submitted the bills. So now the question is how to submit PLI and RPLI incentive bills for the month of February and March. There are three ways to get the commission report or incentive report for the month of February and March 2021. So number one, type PLI and RPLI agent login in Google. You will get pli.agentportal.gov.in website. So through this website we can log in. If we enter user ID and password, we will directly go to the website. There we can get the commission report. Number two is Post Info app. So through this Post Info app also we can get commission report for the month of February and March. And one more app is Online PLI app. So this is also providing agent portal in which we can get business report, commission report, and lapsed policy report, details of maturity policies report, and everything. For this purpose, our PLI info team has prepared one video, so in which we can get PLI and RPLI commission report or incentive report through agent portal or post info or online PLI app also. So this is the video in which you can easily get your PLI and RPLI commission report and submit to divisional office. After getting this report, you just take a printout of it separately, PLI and RPLI, and submit to divisional office. It will be checked by the CPC and verified by the development officer, and then the bill will be passed. While generating this commission report, I would like to inform you, please go for month-wise report. If you generate both months at once, that is, if you select for February 21 to March 21, you will get the data from 1st February 2021 to 28th March 2021 only. So some technical problem is there. I escalated the issue to the CEPT Mysore and they are pursuing it. So before that, what we have to do is you go for monthly report. So if you want to February report, so you select February 2021 from, and to also February 2021, so that entire February incentive bill will be generated. And at the same time you go for March and select March 2021 and to March 2021. So for this you will get the information for the entire March incentive report. So after getting these two, you make them, you print and submit to the divisional office. So my team will explain you how to generate and submit PLI and RPLI incentive for the month of February and March 21. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. You all know that every BPM or field officer will get incentive for the business done by him in respect of postal life insurance or rural postal life insurance. And now if any BPM wants to claim incentive, he can claim through the departmental app called Post Info. We all know that Post Info app has different features. One among it is insurance. When you select Post Info and insurance, you will have agent login, customer login. There are two types of logins. One is for agent, one is for customer. Now as a NFO, we can log in through agent login. And when you click on agent login, you will find the login ID, password, and enter the displayed letters. If you are a first time user, you have to register using your user ID. Then you have to click here on register. This will take you to the user ID login, where you have to give the user ID in capital letters like and then date of birth. Here date of birth is an important thing which you have to mention as the date of independence, like 15th August 1508 1947. Then you have to type the given characters and click on generate password. This is for the first time user. If the user wants to register for the first time, then it will prompt you to have the password for further login. And if you are already existing user with whom the password is available, you have to give the user ID, password, and then sign in. Here you have one more option called forgot password. If the agent already has registered with the password and had forgotten the password, then the agent can click on forgot password to get the password link sent to the email ID with which he or she is registered. Now I am going with one ID where the agent is already registered, that is APGD. Remember here, every character that you type as ID should be a capital letter one. And here the password has specification. It should have one special character, alphanumeric, and with one capital letter. Now I am giving the password of the agent. And typing the characters which are displayed here. Now click on sign in. When once the user ID is given, after login, you will find different tabs, that is my details, my business, new business, tools, and then reports. There are different options. These are the different options. Each option has its own identity and specification. Now we are discussing about the commission generation for submitting the incentive bill. So go to the reports, and under reports you have different reports: commission report, agent statement report, incentive report, survival report, and performance report, business report, policy report. There BPM can go with commission report. And you all know that from February 2021, the directorate has instructed to submit monthly bills through CPC, which will be processed and sanction will be issued by divisional office. So you have to generate here monthly bills. For example, if you select February and 2021, similarly for the month February 2021, and then click on search. This will generate one Excel file, and that contains all the information regarding the incentive that is eligible for the BPM for that month. When once the report is generated, it will be saved in the downloads of your mobile as an Excel file, commissionreport.xls. See here, postal life insurance office to which it is to be submitted, division, advisor commission report for the period 1st February to 20th February in the name of G. Karibasappa, a departmental employee, GDS. Here you can find the carrier, that is PLI and RPLI. You can find two things like RPLI, PLI. Means this report contains total information for the month, policies to which premium has been paid, and the insurance, the incentive, that is commission due before taxes. Means it includes TDS. So the amount will be paid excluding the TDS. So this will be generated for every BPM. As we know that the incentive is to be submitted, incentive bill is to be submitted separately for PLI and RPLI. We have to separate PLI from RPLI using the filter option, or you can separately write these two or excluding these two. This is how we prepare the incentive bill and submit the bill to the divisional office. Remember, the password should be remembered and if it is forgotten, you have to get your email ID registered with the divisional office, which is to be updated in McCamish, so that you can get back your password by using the option forgot password. Thank you.